So our brew today is one of them there Northern Brewer kits that Beer Hawk we're doing. I can't remember, I got really cheap basically. It's all pre-crushed, hops and everything were sort of weighed out in these bags. Saves you a bit of bother really, but normally I like to make my own recipes, but I thought this would be a giggle. So we got here, and it's in Imperial unfortunately, but obviously I've converted it into metric for my app. So you got blah blah blah, 7.5 pounds, 2-row pale, 0.75 pounds of Belgian caramel pills, 0.25 Brie Special Rose, 0.125 Belgian biscuit malt, 0.125 English chocolate malt. I think we're shooting for an ABV of about 4.1. Boil additions, 0.75 ounces of Willamette and 0.75 ounces of US Goldings, which are, as I said, very conveniently weighed out. Always fun trying to do things one-handed. Hang on. Bloody hell. Well, that didn't work out very well. I turned the camera off by accident. There you go. So it's 1 ounce of Willamette in there. And there's actually 1 ounce of US Goldings as well. So that's actually more than I need in there. Good job I double checked that on camera, because I would have just whacked the whole lot in. Which I might just do anyway. I'll have a think. I'll play with it on Brewfile and see what that comes out at. Yeah, we'll have a go, see what happens. Right, the suggested yeast that they gave it with was Nottingham. But because it's an Irish red, I've actually got the White Labs Guinness yeast, Irish ale yeast as they call it, left over from my Hop House 13 clone, which is in the just cold crashing at the moment. So what I'll probably do is actually dump this beer straight on that yeast cake. Because, yeah, why not? Let's reuse this liquid yeast, eh? Let's not just use it once, spend £7 and then waste it. And Nottingham, I'm going to put in my Lannister Golden Ale, which is, Lannister Gold, which is an English Golden Ale, which is in the no chill cube, ready to be whacked into a fermenter. So it's all going on at the moment. I normally don't bloody brew at all, but yeah, loads going on at present. So I've already mashed in. Going for a 2-hour mash rather than overnight again, purely because, oh look, it's daytime. Fairly early morning, and I've got the day off, so just cracking through. I'm going to stick that in the FV now, just sanitising that as well. Boom. So the second lot of sparge water is now in there, which means I've started to boil up the rest of the water, and I will just stick the rest in this bucket and then chuck it in there when it's done. I've decided I'm going to use the full hop editions, full ounce of these packets, because I can't be bothered to have them laying around. So in order to not increase the IBUs too much, I'm moving the Goldings edition to 15 minutes, which should then make everything fine. It'll only increase it by about 5 IBUs, and it was quite low anyway, so it's not going to make a huge difference because they're quite low alpha acid hops. So that's it really. I'll be back at first once we're at a rolling boil, I guess. Lovely rolling boil. First the hop edition will go in 15 minutes because I'm accounting for no chill. See you in 15. Here we go. First hop drop is 28.3 grams or 1 ounce. Willamette. In she goes. It's a lot easier just having these bags, you know, but think of the environment, man. Alright, back in well, at the end of the boil. Cheerio. Time is up. Flame out. Transferring into the no chill cube. Transfer hops already in there. I always forget to take a video then before I start transferring the wort. Job done. I'm going to take a gravity reading in a sec. Right, time for the taste test. So, OG was 1036. Final gravity was 1004, giving us an ABV of 4.2% and 23 IBUs. Oh. Let's look at the hiss there. This bad boy's bottled. I think with the Irish Reds, they're not supposed to have a lot of bitterness to them, or hop aroma. The colour is, it's always hard to see, but spot on what I wanted really. It's been in the bottle 72 days, something like that. Pretty damn clear. Nose wise, very much smells like a normal sort of English bitter Irish ale style. A fairly standard amount of carbonation for a bitter. Yeah, not a huge amount of aroma. Again, this is another one that's designed to be an easy drinker, appeal to the masses rather than necessarily something I would like to brew. But we'll go for the taste and see what's what. Oh yeah, quite a lot of carbonation there. It's got that malty taste to it. It's very crisp. Again, I used RO water, and I think that water profile I used is pretty much spot on with the additions. That is a damn tasty beer. Again, it's not going to set the world on fire, but very drinkable. Again, 4.5%, 4.2%, so it's very drinkable. Not too overwhelming. It's got a really nice mouthfeel to it, especially for that low ABV. Really good mouthfeel. I'm really pleased with that. Wish that was a beer kit, so I'll have to try and make that up again myself at some point. Might mix the hops up a bit. We'll see, but yeah, cracking. Really pleased with that. I think that is going to go down a storm. It's quite good. It's light enough to be a summer beer as well, which is handy because it's summer. It's going to be 25 degrees today, apparently. Yep, 24 in the brew cave. Beer cave, whatever you would call it. Right, anyway, I've got to go sort of finish recycling. Exciting life that I lead these days. Managed to sneak out here for 5 minutes to do this. So that's it, another grain to glass. Done. I've got a few more to do. I know some of the brew footage is a bit sketchy, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you do see this on Beer Hawk, the Northern Brewer Irish Red Ale kit, go for it. Again, I used a different yeast. I used the Guinness yeast, which I think might have something to do with it as well. A bit more expensive yeast can tend to be better. That saying that, I've not used Nothern a lot, so I don't really know what the difference would be, but give it a go. Cheers guys.